Joining me now is Hollywood movie star Eric Roberts. Eric, so glad to have you here on Issues. You're working with 600million.org to come up with essentially a birth control method that would solve the world's horrific stray pet overpopulation problem. I am also involved in this. I did a documentary about stray dogs in the Caribbean. It's a business. Killing these animals in vicious, violent ways is a business. And we need to switch that around and make it a business to feed them a cracker or a pill and sterilize them.